Thank you. So, hello everyone. So, I'm Tirana from Microsoft. Thank you so much for joining my session. So, today I'd like to talk about the practical aspect of the uh, modernizing Java application. So, could you wait a moment, please? Yeah. Uh, Today I'd like to talk about my session. So can you see my screen? Okay. So specifically focus on the migrating them to the cloud using the various tools and the techniques. So when it comes to the application migration, so it's essential to consider the different method and the strategy based on your system current situation. So today, I will cover this kind of the topic. And at first, please consider the modernize with 7 hours. So, so you need to think about how to apply the modernize your application. So generally, it is very important to consider with the 7 hours of modernization as shown here. So, for example, you can rehost, replatform, refactor as needed, and also you need to re-architect, rebuild, and then replace. And also ultimately, so for outdated system, so you may need to consider the retiring the system. So while there's a various approach based on these 7 hours, however, so I don't have enough time to cover all of them today. So therefore, we will focus on the two specific area, so refactoring and the re-architecting as shown here. So this will be the main topic of today's session. So at first, I would like to inform you one thing. So unfortunately, there is no such thing as a magical tool that can do everything. However, so if you combine various tools, so you can reduce the time reduction will be available is possible. So please try to use various tool, not only one tool and not only one magic tool. So and also the evolution of the AI is incredibly rapid, and what was common knowledge just 1 year ago is now unavailable. To elaborate further, the situation has changed a bit since I submitted the goal for paper. So as a result, the contents I initially considered had also changed. So because the evolution is very, very fast and the introduction of the AI agent has significantly changed the development process in the future, so there will be the noticeable difference in productivity between the developer. So who can utilize these tools and those who can't. So however, I still want to emphasize something important. So AI generate answer based on the probability and doesn't always provide the correct answer. Therefore, so having a solid foundation of the knowledge and the skill is essential. And understanding how to use the AI effectively is highly demanded now. So at first, so I will inform for the beginners for modernize. So if you don't have the enough experience or knowledge for the migration, so you might feel lost. So in the past, you might have the simply giving up or reach out to the very expensive consultant. But now it's the age of the generative AI. So you have the strong supporter is ready to help whenever you need it. So where and how to start for the beginners. So GitHub Copilot will help you the first. So it can answer a wide range of the question related to the development. So so GitHub Copilot has three kind of the technology. So ask and the edit and the agent. So at first, so please try to use the ask mode. So for example, so if you are unsure where to start with the migration or the want to check the important point and the consideration, you can write a prompt like this to get the appropriate answer. With GitHub Copilot, ask you can select many AI model so like this, so Claude and Gemini and GPT and the GPT-4 O1 model is available. So you can ask the same question to the each model and compare the answer and select the one that suits you best. This is just for only the beginner. So even so experienced the developer might find valuable insight. So please try it. So I want to try to execute it here, but instead I will briefly summarize the key point to watch at the when upgraded in Java. So so perhaps, as you know, so since Java SE 6 or 8 to the so Java 24 is so many updated is included. So perhaps it is very difficult to understand all of the things. However, at first for the enterprise application migration, please remember the important thing is remove of the XML related technology from the Java SE. So especially JAX WS and the JAX B was removed from the Java SE, and also so for Java EE to the Jakarta EE, so package name had changed from the Java X to the Jakarta. So look like this is a very important topic. However, not only this, but also so many change had included. So please, look like this. So prompt and please ask the user AI. And so if you understand the briefly overview of the upgrading the Java and the Jakarta EE at the time, so actually perhaps you would like to upgrade the system at the time. So, for example, so let's consider the modernizing the application that was created over the 10 years ago. So, especially Java SE 6 and the Java EE 6. In order to upgrade this application to the current version, so at first you need to understand the current system's status. And so current system analytics is very important. So therefore you first so 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 however understanding the current system is sometimes very difficult. So because how is current system be implementing and what need to be done. And also So for system, so over the 10 years old, the documentation might be missing, or it might no longer maintained by anyone. So you might not even know if the existing document is accurate, or analyzing the code can be quite challenging due to the large number of the file, and analysis is difficult. So additionally, the developers who originally implement the system may have moved or retired and left from the organization over the past decade, so making it difficult to find someone who fully understands the entire system. But what else can it do? So from the current project, so you can analyze and identify any issue or necessary action. This means so you can also perform the analysis and evaluation. So in this context, so Microsoft has developed a tool called the Azure Migrate application and the code assessment for Java, so known as the appcat. So this tool was based on the open source tool Wind Up created by the Red Hat. By using this tool, so appcat, so which has been the extending and provide, so you can analyze the source code and the artifact. So so which system do you want to migrate, and which cloud environment do you want to move to? So by specifying the target, the tool will inform you the necessary change and point of caution for the migration destination. So now I'd like to show you the demo for this AppCat. So at first, so please access to the Azure migration application and the code assessment for Java web page, and there, so there is a explanation. So I will start the demonstration from this. So it is needed to use JDK 11 or the 17, and in this time I will use Java EE6 with the Java 7 SE6 application. And if I execute the appcat list target technology, so it will show the target system and the target cloud system and the target JDK. And this is very, very important. Uh, so because in the argument of the appcat, so we can specify the target, and so we can specify the previous listed results, and from the source code or the artifact of the existing source or the artifact, so we can analyze the system. So it will take a little bit. So sorry. So, so it will take maybe it will take few minutes, and so after I executed the appcat command, so on the output directory, so it will create the index.xhtml, and it will show the detail of the application by analyze. And so if there is some issue, then so if you click the link of the issue, so you can list it all of the issue. So for example, in the past, Java X package was used for the injection. So, however, since Jakarta package has used, and also currently the property was included from the file. However, for the Azure or cloud environment, you shouldn't uh, get the environment variable from the file. And also so this is very very important, and I didn't understand actually. So since JDK 11, class loader hierarchy has changed. So look like this information also uh, provided by using this appcat command. So and also look like that. So logging property uh, explain that. So the from log get from the file, and also look like this information was showed. And not only the issue, but also you can understand the project, and look like this. So this kind of the HTML and the XML5 is existing on the system, and in this project, this kind of technology was used, and the EJB and the JPA related information is also provided. So perhaps it will be very very useful to understand how to upgrade it, and maybe you you didn't know the knowledge, so perhaps you can get. And after the executed the appcat command, so by using the AI, uh, we can also analyze the existing system. So in order to understand the existing system by AI, you can use the GitHub Copilot, editing with the agent mode. Uh, so, so perhaps i- if you use the GitHub Copilot with the agent mode, so it automatically includes so many files, and with the agent mode, look like this instruction and prompt you provide to the GitHub Copilot agent mode, then you can analyze more detail of the code from the source code. And for the agent mode, currently you can select only three model. So depend on your situation, so you can select the appropriate the AI model. So actually, I tried this. Uh, you can. I will show the demonstration of the GitHub Copilot with the agent mode. So now, I'm preparing the Java E6 with the Java SE project, and you can select the agent mode, and in this time I selected the clause 3.7 sonnet, and I provide the provide prompt look like this. Instruction is please explain the overview of the project, and based on the uh, analysis. Then, so GitHub Copilot agent will automatically so gather the related file and the analysis the project. So analysis point is look like here, and based on the this, so you this is an agent mode, so automatically load the file and so analysis the project, and after that, so the AI will return the result, and at first it will explain the overview of the so project, and after that, so it will not only the uh, overview, but also like look like the open AI, open API, and also so diagram of the like a flow chart, and the so class diagram, and the so sequence analysis, so you can so automatically get, and if you so copy and paste is a markdown file, so you can uh, understand the so result. So this is an overview of the project, and so based on the prompt my prompt, this so class system architecture diagram and the class diagram and the sequence diagram, so I can automatically get, so it only so few minutes. So in order to understand the all of the project from the source code, so you can understand the so look like this. This is very very useful to understand the all of the project. Uh, so maybe so if you directly saw the source code, maybe it is very very difficult to understand the all of the so overview of the project for only few minutes. So yeah, so by using the so AI agent, so you can easily to understand the all of the project. So even though so there is no document, so from the source code you can understand the project. And so currently, so in order to modernize the system, so we can analyze the current system and the current project. So finally, so I would like to modernize the application by using the AI agent. So migrating use a natural language. This is also I use the GitHub Copilot editing with the AI agent. So in order to do that, so I created the prompt like this. So current state is so implemented with the Java SE6 and Java E6, and so using the Java X package instead of the Jakarta package, and dependency in the pom.xm pom.xm are outdated. So task to address is so transition the JAXB component dependency in Java EE to Jakarta XML binding, and change package name from the Java X the Jakarta, and update it all dependencies library in pom.xml to the newer version compatible with the Java EE and the Jakarta EE10, and instruction is please migrate from the Java E6 to the Java E10 with the Java SE11 by using the above migration point. So, now, so currently I'm using the I'm preparing the Java SE6 and the Java E6 project, and by using this project, I provide this prompt. In this time, I also use the Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and I change the agent mode, and I provide the prompt to the AI agent. And if I executed this prompt, then so it automatically so agent will considering so what should AI do, and so in order to upgrade it, the system, what kind of process is needed automatically. So AI is considering, and so AI agent edit mode is automatically updated the XML file and all of the source code file. So look like this. So this this is a change from the AI, and if you click the and if you check, so so you can detect the which kind of point has the upgraded and modified. You can understand, and so look like this. So automatically AI is considering and automatically upgrading the XML file and the source code. This is a so XML file upgraded, and not only the so XML, but also so look like so please see the this. So after detected the so source code change is needed, so AI is automatically change the so source code. So in this time, so the Java X package name is old, and so AI is automatically upgrades the package name to the Jakarta. So look like this automatically, so continuously upgraded the source code. So so look like this. So at first, so you can provide the prompt to the AI, and after that, so I provide the Hue prompt to the AI. As a result, so so this is so actually created the uh, change from the AI. So by using the so AI agent, so I change so look like the sorry so look like change is automatically upgraded by the so AI, and not only the source code but also look like this. So XML code is also upgraded. So because so the namespace of the XML schema has changed to the so it will also so change from the AI agent automatically. So so it means that so uh, if you use the so AI agent, so maybe so it will be very useful, and it will just under the 1 hour to build successfully compiled. So no, so more detailed analysis and test is needed for the production. However, so to complete the compile, so only 1 hour. Furthermore, so for the Spring developers and another tool, so GitHub Copilot upgraded assistance for Java is available, and more detail will be provided by the next session. So please see the next session. And also in this time, so there's no time. However, so GitHub Copilot Workspaces is very, very also useful. So please try to use a GitHub Copilot Workspace too. Yeah. So this is the なんだっけなんだっけ It's a finish of my session. Thank you so much for joining.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.